Here I go again. Can take that one. The sign basically says welcome to Los Algodones Mexico. So we're here inside the big wall. They call this the fun side of the wall. One that everyone's trying to leave. Anyway, I'm gonna go down through town and take you along with me just a little bit, show you what the Los Algodones is a lot like. Just turn this camera around right now. There's some residential down that way, and here's the main street going this way. The Hustlers here on the side. That's the first main corner here. They're redoing a lot of this, which is why all the signs look really nice, but see, the roads are still a little rough. All the wires. Places like back in there you could go to. Restaurants, go open air. Got construction going over that way. Always building, always building. So that's the main street there, and there's our little shops, got all kinds of stuff. So much of it is really made in China, and they get it here really cheap, but they don't have the overhead like everybody else, so they can sell it even cheaper than what you can get it for in the States. Live music, it's just a nice little outdoor place here. Good seating. Food's actually decent too. Live music behind me. Some guy was singing Head Over Heels for You, but he's got a serious thick Spanish accent. Lots of dentists. Pharmacia. Manicure, pedicure. So many different places. Lots of advertising. You get it on the sidewalk and you get bottlenecked a little bit. Lots going on here, always busy. And now the line to get out. It's crazy, it's easy to come in, but it's hard to get out of this country. That's what others have found. Nice wall, wish they'd build more of them. Let Mexico pay for them. Got a little closer now. Almost to the turn. Then we go on the other side of this and stand within, then through a turnstile, and then we're finally in. So what did I get anyway? I got a blanket, I got some sunglasses, some medications. Where's my sunglasses? Oh, and some candy. I got some candy. I got some things called nugs that are pretty good. I like them. And oh, I got teeth cleaning. Yay! For $30. We made on the other side of that thing. And now we're getting to the turnstile. It's the same here. Now we're getting even closer. They're bringing one at a time when the bell chimes. And there's normally 3 stations in here. Of course, I can't video any of that. This is the best I can do. Just trying to get out of Mexico. Well, I got through, and now you feel like you're still in prison. You take the long walk. That's actually back into Mexico where they hustle you at the beginning of the line. Ooh, restrooms. Yeah, it's kind of a long trip. Not a long trip, but it's a long walk. If you can't walk, you probably don't want to do this trip. You could actually drive your car to the other side. It's just a matter of security. If you trust your car on this side, it costs you $10 to park for the day, which is double what it was 2 years ago. Thank you, Joe Biden. Good old inflation. That's where the workers park. It goes on and on forever. It's crazy, all these places. This is the U.S. side right now we're in. We just came through customs. We are finally out of here. That is the way back into Arizona. Well, technically we're in Arizona now. I think we might be in Arizona. I don't know. We might actually be in California from here. I don't remember. I think it is California. Birds, nature. I'm parked way down there. So this parking area is actually owned by the Indian reservation. So they make a killing. I figure $10 per car. Yeah, it's crazy. I think you come through this big official gate here. But you could park on the road, but it's about a half-mile walk, and they've got all the roads blocked on the side that said, or all the sidewalks, I guess, blocked on the side says, we'll tow you for $200 if you park here. So you don't park, you got to go a half-mile that way. But technically you could park here and do the hike if you wanted to. Well, why in the world would someone want to go to Mexico to get medications, a dentist, chocolates, blankets, stuff like that, sunglasses? Well, great. These Ray-Bans, these are a pair of my knockoffs. There's a knockoff Ray-Bans, so these run me like $10. And I like the like little wood frame things. So I actually bought 2 more pairs of those. I'm gonna give those away. I think one's going to my wife. As far as the other stuff, like the blankets, I really like their Mexican blankets. Granted, I still spent $20 for them, but I really like their throw. I think I'm gonna maybe send that to my mom. The chocolates were $6 a box, and you get like 10, 12 candy bars in the box. So they're also called nugs, and I like the nugs. And the other, as a matter of fact, let me go get some of that stuff. Oh, I just rolled this down. It feels much better now. So the Ray-Bans I got look like these. You can see they're different, but they're definitely, they got all the Ray-Ban logos on them. You see the Ray-Ban logos on there? So you got the Ray-Ban logos all over them. Who knows? They probably come from the exact same warehouse that original Ray-Bans are. It's no telling. Well, it could be straight up knockoffs. And then I get these little chocolate, these nugs. I like these. Again, it's like $5 for the whole box, and but they're delicious. How many's in here? Oh, it doesn't say. 16? Oh, there's 10. So, and we get medications. I get a cholesterol medication and Claritin. So you'll get your bottle of whatever it is, and they're like $3 or $4. I think one was like $8.99. And no, they don't take any kind of insurance. Well, actually, they do take insurance. Certain pharmacies do, but this particular one didn't, which I wasn't giving them insurance anyway. All I wanted to do was get that. And I got my teeth cleaning. The neat thing about it, I wanted to mention here, the teeth cleaning there, they don't have hygienists. Well, how do you get your teeth cleaned if you don't have a hygienist? The dentist does the teeth cleaning. Yes, I've been to Mexico probably 5 times getting my teeth cleaned. It's always been from a DDS dentist, DDS or whatever the other abbreviation that they use for some are actual dental surgeons, but they do the teeth cleaning. And that's how they save on their costs, because if they're not busy, why not clean some teeth instead of having to pay someone else to do it? But and also they say, why is it cheaper to get that kind of stuff done here in Mexico? The answer is, try to sue me. Yeah, you're not going to be able to sue anybody for malpractice or anything coming down here to Mexico. So anyway, that's why I come. Hope you enjoyed this little visit to my trip to Los Algodones here in Baja, Mexico. It's just outside of Yuma. I'm about 11 miles from being in downtown Yuma. So it's a pretty good location for getting stuff like that done. I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully see you down the road. So I'm just out here living the coolest life. Mexico edition.